Welcome. We are pleased to present Evogene's company presentation and its unique value proposition. Evogene is a publicly traded company, both in NASDAQ and the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange. This presentation contains forward-looking statements relating to future events based on our current expectations and estimations, and actual results may differ from these forward-looking statements. The presentation will begin with a brief overview of Evogene, continue with our unique value proposition and business strategy, followed by success stories. It will end with a short summary. Our vision is to be a pioneering company for creating groundbreaking life science products, rooted in microbes, small molecules, and genomics, to improve life quality. Why did we choose to focus on product development in life sciences, and specifically on products based on microbes, small molecules, and genetic elements? Because their contribution to society and their business potential is immense. The potential variety of products in these areas opens a wide range of markets and industries for Evogene, from pharmaceuticals, agriculture, food and diagnostics, to renewable energy, wellness, and environmental conservation. A vast ecosystem of life science-based products. But as great as the potential, so is the challenge. Developing these products is complex and even gets more complicated over time. In the last decades, the time invested and the resources required to develop a life science product keep increasing. And most challenging is the low probability of reaching a novel product. The question arises, why is this the case? What is the main cause of this challenge? The biggest challenge in developing life science-based products is finding the candidates that meet a long list of the required criteria from a huge quantity of potential candidates in order to reach a successful commercial product, like finding a needle in a haystack. This challenge presents itself mainly at the beginning of the product development process, in the discovery and optimization phases. In recent years, we have witnessed a transformation in the abilities to develop new products, abilities created by the computational revolution. The computing capabilities at our disposal today allow superhuman processing and analysis of huge amounts of information. The combination of big data that we can generate together with AI that can process and analyze information allows the development of tools and methods that speed up research and product development processes. Now is the time for life science industries to benefit from this revolution. Integrating deep understanding of life science with big data and AI can accelerate, direct, and increase the efficiency of product development, leading to successful breakthrough products. This is what Evogene focuses on. Our mission is to leverage deep understanding of life sciences with dedicated big data sets and cutting-edge computational technologies to address the discovery and optimization challenges and drive product innovation. Thus, securing Evogene's position as a leader in developing life science-based products that advance humanity's future. Evogene is publicly traded an Israeli company, founded in 2002. It employs about 100 employees, over a third of whom hold PhDs in life sciences, and over 50% are women. Evogene offers 3 innovative AI tech engines for the development of products based on microbes, small chemical molecules, and genetic elements. It has 4 subsidiaries, which use Evogene's technology to develop products in various life science fields. Presently, 2 of our subsidiaries already have commercial products: Lavi Bio, with Yalos, an ag biological product for yield improvement in specific field crops, and Castera with elite castor varieties for oil production, mainly for the alternative fuels industry. We are proud of our achievements and the achievements of our subsidiaries to date, reflected by a growing list of commercial and financial partners the Evogene Group is engaged with. Having Bayer, Corteva, ENI, ICL, SHC, and Syngenta as business partners is a clear testimony to the important contribution of Evogene's technology to the life science-based industries. Moving on with Evogene's offering and value proposition. With an investment of tens of millions of dollars and over a decade of intense work, Evogene has created a groundbreaking platform which integrates profound scientific knowledge with public and proprietary big data and AI technologies. During recent years, Evogene developed 3 innovative AI tech engines addressing the main development challenges of 3 product categories. MicroBoost AI directs and accelerates the development of microbe-based products. ChemPass AI for small molecule-based products, and GeneRator AI for products based on genetic elements. The value proposition of Evogene's AI-driven tech engines stems from the efficient finding and optimization of the most promising candidates, therefore increasing the probability of successfully reaching a breakthrough product within a competitive timeframe and in a cost-efficient manner. More specifically, the discovery phase consists of computational selection of the most promising candidates to initiate the product development process. The optimization phase provides computational-driven solutions, addressing optimization challenges for the selected candidates without impairing their ability to address various other product attributes. A great example for the quality and innovative approach of our technology is our recent achievement: the launch of a first-in-class foundation model for small molecule design, developed in collaboration with Google Cloud. By blending Evogene's domain expertise with Google's scalable AI, a vast space of 38 billion compounds was explored, optimizing across key parameters with 90% precision and generating novel, viable molecules. The new model expands the existing capabilities of ChemPass AI by addressing one of the core challenges faced by both the pharmaceutical and agriculture industries: identifying novel small molecules that meet multiple complex product criteria while also being patentable. It is important to emphasize that each of our AI tech engines has been designed to be at the core of development of a wide variety of products, and not just one specific product. This way, around each tech engine, an ecosystem of life science products can be efficiently developed. This slide shows a screenshot of the ChemPass AI tech engine dashboard. Although the engine is based on a complex technology and a vast database, building the engine's user interface, our goal was to make it as friendly and as flexible as possible, providing valuable applications for the researcher. Moving on to Evogene's business strategy. As stated, Evogene's 3 AI tech engines were structured to be compatible with the tremendous potential of various market segments, which could benefit from them. Each tech engine is at the center of potential development of many product types, addressing the needs of different life science industries. To capture the value of our AI tech engines, Evogene's business strategy aims to establish diverse collaborative partnerships for life science product development. The partners Evogene collaborates with are experts in specific fields that complement our technology. This approach was adopted to maximize the potential of the tech engines while reducing financial and development risks. Evogene forms partnerships through licensing or collaboration with companies possessing domain-specific knowledge. Together, novel products will be developed, aiming for full or partial ownership upon project completion. Evogene believes this strategy holds the potential for groundbreaking innovations and significant financial gains. To implement this strategy, Evogene applies 2 main partnership structures. The first, through a license agreement. Here, Evogene grants a time-limited license to use one of its tech engines in a defined commercial field to a third party. This type of agreement will usually be signed with a company in which Evogene holds partial or entire ownership, such as a subsidiary. The second structure is in the form of a collaboration with a leading company. Here, Evogene uses its unique engine for earlier stages of discovery and optimization, and the partner leads later stages of product development and commercialization. The expected revenue streams in the licensing model are license fees and R&D reimbursement royalties from sale of end products dividends to Evogene as a shareholder, significant one-time payment upon an exit event. The expected revenue streams in the collaboration model are upfront payments, R&D fees, milestone payments, royalties from sale of end products. These 2 models, licensing and collaboration, are already implemented. At present, Evogene has engaged in licensing agreements with its 4 subsidiaries, Biomica, LaviBio, AgPlenus, and Castera, and with a related party, Finally Foods. In addition, Evogene entered into collaboration agreements in areas not covered by the subsidiaries. Moving to a success story of one of Evogene's subsidiaries, Castera. Castera develops elite castor seeds through the use of Evogene's GeneRator AI tech engine. Castera, a wholly owned subsidiary of Evogene, aims to provide an integrated solution for the industrial cultivation of castor, mainly for the bio-based industries, and more specifically, for the biofuel market. Its offering consists of elite varieties, suited for mechanized farming practices as well as agricultural protocols. The alternative energy market, which seeks environmentally sustainable energy sources, is a fast-growing and attention-receiving sector in the global economy. Castor oil provides an alternative to fossil fuels, not competing with edible plant oils. Until recently, castor growers were using traditional practices, such as hand-picking harvest, in castor cultivation. In order to support the growing demands needed for the biofuel industry, an adaptation of commercial-scale cultivation is required, such as mechanized harvesting and seed varieties suitable for such harvesting. The development of such advanced varieties using common classical breeding takes a long time, and this is precisely the challenge Castera solved using Evogene's technology. Since 2023, Castera invested great efforts into establishing a global seed production infrastructure to support large-scale castor seed demand. It entered into a frame supply agreement with a major global oil and gas producer, and currently has operations in both Brazil and Africa, which is the main location of its operations. Illustrating the development process of its elite seed varieties, Castera presents an accelerated and speedy process utilizing Evogene's Generator AI tech engine. It saves time, money, and increases the product's probability to be commercially successful. Currently, Castera has 3 commercial seed varieties in the market. It continually develops brand new proprietary varieties of elite castor seeds, suitable for specialized purposes. To summarize the main takeaways of the presentation, Evogene is a pioneer in developing groundbreaking life science products based on microbes, small molecules, and genetic elements. By merging scientific expertise with AI and big data, Evogene developed 3 AI tech engines powering these product development efforts. Evogene maximizes its technology potential and minimizes risks by employing a business strategy of partnering with experts in specific fields that complement its technology, either through licensing or collaboration agreements. At present, the Evogene Group has several commercial products already in the market, and numerous commercial and financial partnerships with world-leading companies. Evogene is committed to continually expanding its activity and contribution to the life science industries. Thank you for your time and attention.